Good morning. Today is Friday, the 12th of June, and I am looking at the E-Mini S&P 500 futures contract, the September contract here. Got a big gap opening down here, and went long in the first 3 minutes. Let's see. Let me just show you. This is where it closed yesterday. This is where it opened, and this is where I've gotten long, looking for the market to probably come up to this level here, maybe higher. I'm not sure. What I need to see is I need to see the first 3 minute bars high broken to the upside. Once that's broken to the upside, then I got a real tiny position. I just stuck my foot in the water. In case this comes down a little bit more, I'd be buying more. Again, all with a plan of action here. Not just from the hip and not just scaling in because I don't want to take a loss. Now that's a big, huge mistake most people make, but I've got a rhyme and reason behind everything I do, and you should too. So I've only got one contract, very small position here, and I'm looking for these highs to be broken, or the first high to be broken. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back when things shape up here. All right, I'm back, and I was completely wrong, right? The market has dropped further down, but as you can see, I bought two right here. So I bought one here near the high of the day. Huh? Not bad. Okay, but the market's hitting one of my other support levels right in here. So I bought two, and basically from the high of the day, low of the day, I'm looking to get out of these two right up at 90.5 to make 2.25 on that. And then that would leave me with one left. Let's just see what happens here. All right, I'm back again. I'm looking at the Dow futures. I've still got my positions on in the E-Mini futures, but the Dow looked really good down in here as well. As you can see, I'm long right in here. I'm up $300 on the Dow futures, and I'm going to get rid of 4 of those right now to take some profits off the table.
Order filled.
All right, you can see that I took $180 off in profits on the future on the Dow. Okay, I've only got one left. I'm up $50 there, not much. Let's flip it back to the E-Mini futures and see what's going on. All right, look at this. The E-Mini futures, I had a limit order and to sell 2 of them back at 90.5 and missed me. It went to 90 even, and we're coming down. Not a good sign, okay? But let's just be a little bit more patient here. That's frustrating. That would have taken me out. I would have been up a little bit in the futures here, the E-Minis. The Dow, I'm up. I've already locked in some profits there to offset some of the losses here in the E-Mini futures. We're going to toggle back and forth and see what we can do. All right, back on the Dow. Let's just sell the last one, get out of this on strength here. Let's see.
Order filled.
There we go. So we locked in, we made $205 on the Dow futures right there. $205 on the Dow futures. We've still got a position left on the E-Minis. Let's flip that back. All right, back to the E-Mini futures. I've still got my limit order in it, 2,090.5. Let's see if we can get that. Again, we're up 205. We've made 205 on the Dow. Okay, let's see what we can do here in the E-Minis. All right, let's see if the market can bump up a bit more. We're looking at 90.5. Look at this. Close, close, close. No cigar. Remember, I'm flat the Dow futures right now. Made 205. Down about 125 on the E-Minis. Just looking for a little bump up to 2090. Because look, if the market doesn't look like it wants to go higher, it looks like it actually kind of wants to go lower now. If the market was going to try to fill the gap, it would have tried to do it here in the first 9 minutes of trading. Okay, I'm getting divergence all over the place between the advanced decline line, the NYSE tick, and that's what's been telling me that this market should move higher, and it's not. So what to do? Let's just wait it out a little. I want to see how the market reacts to these lows. If we can come back, I'm sure we're going to retest these lows. We missed that profit objective on this trade right in here by 50 cents only. That is frustrating, but I want to give it a little bit more time to see how the market reacts at the low of the day here. So let's just put this on the low. Obviously, this one up here, this white horizontal line, represents the high of the day. All right, I'm back, and I am going to actually get out of everything here. At 90 and a quarter. 90 and a quarter. God, I should have had that. I took the order out at 90 and a half. I would have been filled. I've got to be somewhere in about 10 minutes, so let's go 90 and a quarter. God, slow on the draw. Let's go 90 and, gosh. Let's see. Look at this thing. Wants to go lower. I really think this wants to go lower. God darn it. Okay, let's just see. I'm going to give it a second here. Let's see. Scratch this trade on the E-Mini futures.
Order filled.
All right, here we go. So what did I end up doing here? All right. Lost 87. And, oh, you know what? I still got one left, don't I? Okay, I got one left. I didn't exit everything, did I? See, that's... I'm just going to get out of here. Place market. Sell. Scratch
Order
it. There we
filled.
go. Lost $62.50. All right, lost $62.50 on the E-Mini, so lost 62.5 on the E-Minis and made 205 on the Dow, so came out a little ahead, huh? Just a little bit there. All right, I got to run. Hope that helps. Bye.